Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager, Ed Martin Toyota, Noblesville, Indiana. I just wanted to give you a quick little video of the Switch Pro 9100. This is mounted in a 200 series Land Cruiser in the sunglasses holder. The unit comes with a handful of stickers so that you can pretty much, anything that you can think of, you can stick it on there. There's I think there's 4 40 amps, 4 20 amps slots. The Switch Pro mechanism itself is dustproof and waterproof. We've mounted it right here next to the crank battery on a custom bracket. But the beautiful thing about the Switch Pro is it's a solid state device. So there's really, almost zero likelihood of failure in the future. But more importantly, it eliminates the need for large inline fuses, and so also more importantly too is just the simplicity of the wiring is ultra clean. It's one poke through the firewall up high, and and just a Cat5 cable to running through. So it's a nice configuration. It's our favorite switching mechanism that's out to market as of right now. So that's a quick up close and personal look at the Switch Pro 9100. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Eric Sargent, General Manager, Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana. 317-385-9572.